afternoon and welcome to our Teen and Tween craft program today at the Bartram Trail branch of the St. Johns County Public Library System. I am Carla Day and I'm the young adult librarian here. And today we are going to be making a mason jar lid ornament. And so what you will need to make that is a small square of fabric. This one's about 3.5 to 4 inches square. And you will need a 10-inch piece of narrow ribbon, a 10-inch piece of twine, and most importantly, you will need a mason jar. This is the rim, and this is the lid. So there's actually two parts of this. And then there's a little snowflake ornament. You might use something else. I've noticed that reindeer heads are really popular this year, or a little snowman, or whatever you may have at your house. But if you picked up a kit at the library, this is what you would have. In order to finish it, you will also need a pair of scissors and a glue stick or some glue. I am using a glue stick today. So let's get started with your ornament. So the first thing you need to do is you need to take your piece of fabric and lay it with the pretty side down and take your lid to your mason jar and kind of center it. And holding it together, go ahead and put it in your rim like that. And then you're going to turn it over, and you can kind of work with it a little bit. And you can't see this in the picture, but if you had the fabric in your hands, you could kind of center up this yellow cross that is in the fabric to help you get it centered. And once you do, then turn it back over and kind of pull on the corners a little bit and turn it back over. Make sure it's good and tight. If it's not, just hold your lid down as you're pulling on your cloth and just keep pulling. Turn it back over. Okay, that looks pretty tight to me. So what you would do next is you would go ahead and take your glue gun or your glue. You can use either one and put a good amount of glue in there. And then very carefully take your cloth and press it down onto that hot glue. So be very careful, especially if you are using a high temperature glue gun. Mine is a low temperature gun, so I'm kind of okay. And I'm just kind of working that through. And so now you can kind of see the back. Looks a little bit messy, but that's okay. You don't see that part. And then on the front, it looks like this. So the next step that you would do is you would take your piece of twine, and you're not going to tie the end like you normally would in a knot like that. What you're going to do is you're going to take the two ends together. You're going to take the loop end and bring that, holding the end of your twine together, the two ends together, kind of make a loop there, and then bring the loop at the other end up and through, and that's going to make a knot very near the end of your string. So what you're working for, however you get there, is you're wanting your knot to be at the end. So you've got a loop at this end that you're going to put over the branch of your Christmas tree, and then you've got the other end, and I'm going to cut off that end real close to the end of that knot like this. So once I do that, I'm going to take my lid, and because I have that yellow cross in the middle, I'm going to line my knot up with one of those yellow crosses. And you don't have to do it that way, but that's the way I chose to do it. So I'm going to put a pretty big dot of glue right in the middle of what I'm going to call the top of my ornament. I'm going to put a pretty good dab of that hot glue there, and then I'm going to take this knot and I'm going to press it into my hot glue, and that's going to be how you hang it. And then the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ribbon And this is more ribbon probably than what you're going to need, but it's easier to tie a bow with a longer piece of ribbon than a short piece of ribbon. So it's longer probably than what you need. I'm going to kind of work with that real quick and try to, let's see, okay. I'm going to make that ribbon a little bit smaller. So I don't know if you, as you can see, this side of the ribbon is way too long, but that's okay. That's why I had extra ribbon. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut that off at an angle. Tighten it up and see how I like it and get it where I like it. Then I'm going to center that underneath my string at the top, and I'm going to put a dab of glue right underneath my knot and put the center of my bow there. So that's that part. Looks like that. And then I'm going to take my snowflake and I'm going to put some hot glue on it. Yes, I think I'll put the hot glue on the snowflake. And I'm going to center that on the front of my ornament. Okay. And we now have a Christmas tree ornament. So thank you once again for joining us at the library and doing another teen craft with us. And once again, we want to thank our friends of the library for all of the support that they give us so that we can do these programs and pay for our craft materials. And next time you come to the library and pick up a craft, know that it's your friends of the library that are making it possible.